So hey guys, this is Bilal from Tech Apps and today we're gonna talk about speakers, guys. So guys, yesterday I got this package. Let's open this up. I got my different type of knife and we are just going to open it up. Wow, kinda feels bad to open this. I'm just opening it up and there are a lot of this. I'll just keep my knife aside. It's a dangerous one. So, what do we have over here? We got some paper bags, which I really don't need. More paper bags, more. Okay, so, whoa, come on, baby. I'll just take it out. Woo. So, guys, I bought this Creative SBS A120 for my dorm room. I just wanted to know like how does it sounds, and I don't know, like I never had I bought the last time I bought like eyeball one, so I thought like Creative I saw heard it from a friend, so I thought it would be a good. So let's do the unboxing of this guy. Oh, I'm using a wrong type. Yeah. Okay, I'll just cut it out. I'll just put it aside and show you what else do I got it here. So first of all, a speaker. I'll keep it here. Second speaker. Wow, some of the wiring and also volume control knob, guys. Volume control, so I can control the volume from this guy. And some of the boxes. Some paperwork. I don't think so I will be ever in need of this, guys. And last but not the least, the woofer. And it's not coming out. Okay, I'll just okay, so this is upside down. Okay, this is the right module. So guys, I'm just gonna go and open this up and see. Okay, it looks good. It looks good. Not at all bad. Okay, the first speaker. Now also this plastic. Okay, so they both are white, so we just have to give the size. And this is the speaker right now, and we will be connecting also the volume controller. So it's given us a sub is over here. Yeah, the sub is over here. We'll just connect the sub, and the output will be connected to my phone, which is over here. It's connected. Okay, so I just played this guy. I think this is good, and the volume is good, but I think the bass should be more. And I don't know what can I do. I'll try to some new other softwares. I think it might work. So guys, this is the overview and first impression of Creative speakers SBS A120, Creative SBS A120. I'll go into more detail on this, guys, but I don't think so you need more. The sound is okay, not very good. I'll say also the bass effect is not very high. What I really felt like I should get a heavy bass effect style, but let's say I'll try once again. I'll put more songs and see what else can we hear from this guy. And this guy is not actually in the mirror but in the context. I'll just show you. This are the two speakers, the two speakers. uh, so guys, thank you for watching my video. Subscribe to this channel, like this video, and share it to your friends, guys. And if you have any other kind of request, please put it in the comments down below. And I am a very friendly guy. Comment down below whatever you want to see and what do you feel about this video, and what do you think I should do more for this channel, and what can I change in this. So guys, thank you for watching Tech Apps. And guys, click over here, somewhere over here. I'll put another video for my previous one, or over here for my secondary video if you want to like and subscribe. So guys, like, subscribe and share it to your friends, and also comment down below what else you want to see in this channel. Thank you guys, thank you very much for watching.